Have you ever wondered if your body has a hidden superpower working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep you healthy and energized? Well, it does. This remarkable process is called autophagy, and it's one of the most fascinating ways your body takes care of itself every single day. Imagine your body as a bustling, vibrant city. Just like a city needs a dedicated sanitation and recycling department to keep things running smoothly, your body relies on autophagy to clear out cellular waste, remove clutter, and keep your internal environment clean and efficient. Autophagy acts like a microscopic janitorial team, constantly patrolling your cells, breaking down old, damaged, or malfunctioning cell parts, and recycling them into useful building blocks. This not only prevents the buildup of cellular junk, but also fuels regeneration, repair, and resilience throughout your body. Scientists have discovered that this process is essential for keeping our cells young and healthy, and it plays a key role in protecting us from disease, aging, and even some of the effects of stress. Autophagy is a survival mechanism honed by millions of years of evolution. It's crucial for helping us withstand tough times, adapt to stress, and maintain our health, even in the face of challenging environments. But in our modern world, where food is almost always available and we rarely give our bodies a break from eating, this cleanup crew often doesn't get the chance to do its job as effectively as it could. Understanding autophagy is like unlocking a secret instruction manual for your body's natural self-healing abilities. It reveals how you can support your own health from the inside out. In this video, we'll explore what autophagy really is, why it's so important for your well-being, and practical ways you can activate this process to boost your health and longevity. So let's dive in and meet the incredible cleanup crew that's been quietly working for you all along, helping you feel your best every day. Autophagy literally means self-eating, but don't worry, it's not destructive. It's your body's way of recycling old proteins, damaged mitochondria, and cellular debris. Imagine your cells as factories. Autophagy is the maintenance team, clearing out broken machinery so everything runs smoothly. Without autophagy, cells get clogged with junk, leading to dysfunction and disease. This process protects against toxic protein clumps linked to conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. By clearing debris, autophagy keeps your cells healthy and functional. It's a highly regulated, intelligent process, never random destruction. The 2016 Nobel Prize recognized autophagy's vital role in health and aging. Nurturing autophagy is a powerful strategy for lifelong wellness. Picture autophagy as Pac-Man inside your cells, gobbling up unwanted junk. These Pac-Men, called autophagosomes, target damaged proteins, worn-out mitochondria, and even invading microbes. Once they engulf the debris, they fuse with lysosomes, the cell's recycling centers. Lysosomes break down the junk into basic building blocks, amino acids, fatty acids, and sugars. These materials are reused for energy and cellular repair. It's the ultimate recycling program, keeping your cells youthful and resilient. Autophagy is always running but ramps up when nutrients are scarce, like during fasting. When you're constantly eating, autophagy slows down. When you fast, it intensifies. This deep clean is essential for survival and optimal health. By understanding this process, you can harness your body's natural renewal system. Forget expensive anti-aging treatments. Autophagy is your built-in fountain of youth. As we age, autophagy slows and cellular junk accumulates, leading to inflammation and disease. Enhancing autophagy is a leading strategy for extending health span, the years you live in good health. It's especially important for mitochondria, your cell's power plants. Autophagy clears out damaged ones, making way for new, efficient energy producers. This process, called mitophagy, protects against fatigue, oxidative stress, and age-related decline. Autophagy also helps prevent neurodegenerative diseases by clearing toxic protein clumps. It supports immune function and reduces chronic inflammation, lowering risks for diabetes and heart disease. By activating autophagy, you address aging at its root, inside your cells. It's about true renewal, not just surface-level fixes. So, how do you activate this powerful cleanup process within your body? The answer is surprisingly simple: fasting. Fasting is more than just skipping a meal. It's a deliberate pause that allows your body to shift gears from constant digestion to deep, restorative cellular repair. When you stop eating for a period of time, you give your cells a chance to focus on maintenance, rather than just processing food. Fasting means taking a break from food, giving your body time to shift from digestion to deep cellular repair. During this break, your body isn't just resting, it's actively seeking out damaged cells and recycling them, making room for new healthy ones. Even simple actions like drinking water or going for a walk instead of reaching for a snack can help initiate this process. Our ancestors naturally cycled between feasting and fasting. Autophagy was their survival tool. In times when food was scarce, their bodies adapted by cleaning out old or malfunctioning cells, making them more resilient and better able to thrive when food became available again. This ancient rhythm is hardwired into our biology. In today's world of constant eating, we rarely trigger this ancient pathway. Modern life encourages us to snack from morning until night, leaving little time for our bodies to enter this crucial repair mode. The result? Our cells miss out on the opportunity to renew and refresh themselves. Fasting lowers insulin, which normally blocks autophagy, and raises glucagon, which activates it. Insulin is the hormone that tells your body to store energy, while glucagon signals it's time to use stored energy and start the cleanup process. This hormonal balance is key to flipping the switch. This hormonal shift flips the master switch from storage to renewal. It's like turning on a powerful internal cleaning crew that sweeps through your body, removing clutter and making space for new growth. Autophagy ramps up after about 16 to 18 hours of fasting, becoming more robust the longer you go. This is why many people choose intermittent fasting schedules, such as 16 hours of fasting followed by an 8-hour eating window, to maximize these benefits. Intermittent fasting, regular periods of fasting, makes this process accessible and sustainable for most people. By planning your meals and fasting windows, you can fit autophagy into your daily routine without feeling overwhelmed. It's not about deprivation, but about giving your body the time it needs to clean and repair. Fasting can be a mindful practice, allowing you to reconnect with your body's natural rhythms and signals. By fasting, you unlock your body's natural ability to rejuvenate. Many people report feeling more energetic, clear-headed, and even happier when they incorporate fasting into their lives. It's a simple, powerful way to support lifelong health, helping you feel your best at any age. By embracing fasting, you're not just following a trend, you're tapping into a fundamental process that has kept humans healthy for thousands of years. Fasting doesn't have to be extreme or intimidating. Anyone can start with gentle, sustainable methods that fit into daily life. The key is to approach fasting as a flexible tool, not a rigid rule. Begin by learning about different fasting styles and choosing one that feels manageable for you. One of the most popular and approachable methods is time-restricted eating, such as the 16-8 method. This means you eat all your meals within an 8-hour window and fast for the remaining 16 hours of the day. Many people find this schedule easy to follow, especially with the help of apps or reminders. For many, this can be as simple as finishing dinner by 8 p.m. and then skipping breakfast, waiting until noon the next day to eat again. This gentle shift can help your body adjust without feeling deprived, and you may even notice improved energy and focus in the mornings. During your fasting hours, it's important to stay hydrated. You can drink water, herbal tea, or black coffee. These beverages help curb hunger and keep you feeling refreshed. Adding a slice of lemon or a sprig of mint can make your drinks more enjoyable. Another option is the 5-2 diet. With this approach, you eat normally 5 days a week, and on 2 non-consecutive days, you limit your calorie intake to about 500-600 calories. This method offers flexibility and can be easier to maintain for some people, especially if you have a busy or unpredictable schedule. If you're new to fasting, ease in gradually. Try extending your overnight fast by just an hour at a time, allowing your body to adapt slowly. This gentle approach helps minimize discomfort and makes fasting a positive, long-term habit. Throughout your eating window, focus on staying hydrated and nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods. Choose colorful fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to support your energy and well-being. Remember, fasting isn't a license to eat poorly. Quality nutrition is essential for your body's repair and renewal processes. Prioritize balanced meals that provide the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients your body needs to thrive. A Mediterranean-style diet pairs beautifully with fasting. It's rich in fresh vegetables, healthy fats, and lean proteins, offering the best building blocks for your cells and supporting long-term health. The most important thing is to find a routine that fits your lifestyle and feels sustainable. Consistency matters far more than perfection, so be patient with yourself as you experiment and adjust. Think of fasting as scheduling regular maintenance for your body. an act of self-care that supports your health, energy, and well-being for the long run. While fasting offers big benefits, it's not safe for everyone. Avoid fasting if you're underweight, have a history of eating disorders, are pregnant, breastfeeding a child or adolescent. People with diabetes, low blood pressure, or chronic illnesses should consult a doctor before fasting. Listen to your body. If you feel unwell, stop and reassess. Fasting is about supporting health, not testing willpower. Always prioritize safety and seek professional advice if you have any concerns. Fasting isn't the only way to boost autophagy. Exercise is another powerful tool. High-intensity and endurance workouts trigger autophagy in muscles, clearing out damaged components and building strength. A diet lower in sugar and refined carbs, and higher in healthy fats, also supports autophagy by keeping insulin low. Polyphenol-rich foods like green tea, coffee, turmeric, berries, olive oil, and dark chocolate may further encourage this process. Quality sleep is crucial. Your body does major repair work while you rest. Disrupted sleep or irregular schedules can interfere with autophagy. Aim for 7-9 hours of good sleep each night to support cellular renewal. Combine exercise, smart nutrition, and sleep for a holistic approach. These habits, together with fasting, create the ideal environment for your body's cleanup crew. We've uncovered your body's secret, the power to clean, repair, and renew itself through autophagy. This isn't a fad, it's a core part of your biology, and you can influence it. By choosing when and what you eat, and supporting your body with exercise and sleep, you unlock deep self-healing. Fasting is a simple, cost-free way to slow aging, boost energy, and protect against disease. But always approach it with wisdom and respect for your unique needs. Health isn't about rigid rules, it's about listening to your body and making sustainable choices. Every positive step supports a healthier cellular environment and a longer, more vibrant life. Trust your body's wisdom, give it a break and let your cleanup crew work its magic.